Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a little star named Twinkle. Twinkle was not like the other stars. She loved to dream. Every night, while her star friends glittered brightly in the night sky, Twinkle would close her eyes and dream. Twinkle's dreams were magical. She dreamt of flying with birds, dancing with fireflies, and swimming with dolphins in the deep blue sea. Her dreams were like colorful adventures that took her to places no other star had ever seen. One night, as Twinkle closed her eyes to dream, a gentle breeze whispered through the night sky. It carried her dream to the earth below, where a little girl named Lily was lying in her bed, gazing at the stars. Lily saw Twinkle's dream and felt a warm, magical sensation. With a smile on her face, Lily closed her eyes and fell asleep, and in her dreams, she joined Twinkle on her wondrous adventures. Together, they flew through the night sky, danced with the fireflies, and swam with the dolphins. It was the most incredible and enchanting dream Lily had ever experienced. When she woke up the next morning, Lily felt refreshed and filled with wonder. She knew that the little star, Twinkle, had shared her dreams with her. From that day on, Lily would look up at the night sky and say, "Thank you, Twinkle, for your beautiful dreams." And so, every night, Twinkle continued to dream, sharing her magical adventures with children like Lily, making bedtime a time of enchantment and wonder for kids all around the world. The end. Now it's time for you to close your eyes, just like Twinkle and Lily.